how to do hair, guys. Make sure, guys, you comb your hair out, split the hair into two, and then take the braiding hair. Make sure it's on the equal sides, and then place it right here where you split your natural hair. Grab your natural hair, and we're gonna braid, guys, because we're not using any rubber band. Take a little from the right and a little from the left, and it becomes 3. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab on both sides, release your thumb on your index finger, and then go right through to the left. You started to braid, but my besties, you don't want to braid too much. You can just braid a little just to secure the hair. Place it right there. Take the other strand of hair, and guys, you started to hide, so you're not seeing no rubber band. So now you're going to take your thumb and your index finger, secure it right there. Take the hair that is 2 times bigger than the one that we installed. So now what you're going to do, take it and place it right there. Okay, so now we have 3 strands of hair. Take the one on the left if you're left-handed. Go over to the right. If you're a right-handed person, take it and place it right there between your little pinky finger to secure it from joining together. Then now what you're going to do, grab on, take your left hand and just swing your hand, and then carry the left strand over to the right over to the left, and you started to braid. And make sure you hide. Okay, so while you braiding, guys, you gotta look for your natural hair and continue to braid. And you hide.
Classic hairstyles and vlogs, only one classic. She performs magic, styling hair with love and grace, making beauty come alive in this space. Weaving patterns row by row, teaching skills that help you grow. Only one classic, only one classic. She performs magic. Classic hairstyles and looks, only one classic. She performs magic. Expert hands with a gentle touch, creating looks that mean so much. From box braids to perfect weaves, every style that you believe. Only one classic, only one classic. She performs magic. Classic hairstyles and looks, only one classic. She performs magic. Subscribe now, don't wait to see all the styles that set you free. Step by step, I'll guide you through with the classic looks that make you feel brand new. Only one classic, one classic. She performs magic. Classic hairstyles